Today I'm on campus here at our new deployment at Fort Lewis College, and I'm going to give you guys a quick demo. So you go over here to our order screen. So this is our order kiosk. You just touch here to begin. And you can see here on the sidebar, we have our iced lattes and macchiatos, hot lattes and macchiatos, coffees and Americanos, chai and hot chocolate, and espressos and cappuccinos. So you can navigate this menu using the side panel, and then all the drinks show up on this side. So today we'll go ahead and let's make an iced latte macchiato. So you can pick between oat milk or fresh milk. So we'll go ahead and do fresh milk, and we have all of your flavor options that will also pop up. So let's go ahead and do caramel, and then let's go ahead and add an extra shot of espresso. And then down here, go ahead and add to cart and view cart. So here you'll see everything that's in your cart. You can add multiple of the same drink, or you can add more items here. You can have as many items as you want on one ticket. So we'll go ahead and just do the one for today, and we'll go ahead and pay now. Now this is where it gets really customized to each customer of how you want your customers to be able to pay. So right now we're on a college campus, so they can pay with their dining dollars and campus cash. And right now we also have it in demo mode. But we can integrate with most POS systems, and we can even set up credit and debit card scanners to be able to use at the kiosk. So today we're in demo mode, so we'll go ahead and pay with auto authentication to override that payment. Okay, so now we have our receipt and we have our QR code, and we'll go ahead and go to the brewer. So you can see here that the instructions, step one, we're gonna go ahead and select our cup. So since this is an iced drink, we'll be using a clear cup. If we had a hot drink, we'd be using a white paper cup. So here, just like our plastic cup, and put it in the ice machine. You can see here, there's an ice fill line. Go ahead and hold down at the fill line. Now we have our drink, and you'll see here, step two is to place your cup below. And step three is to scan your QR code. As soon as we scan, brewing will start. Now my drink is ready, so I can go ahead and set it here and grab a lid. And grab a straw below. And I'm ready. Thanks for watching.